coming to you with a review on the Colourpop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer in the color Deep Dark 21 Warm. So I got this from Ulta. You can get it from Ulta or the Colourpop website or the Ulta website. I know it's Corona out, guys. God bless everybody as we're going through this time. But, you know, it's cheap. You should get it before it sells out. I think it's a little known secret about a tinted moisturizer. And yeah, I'm just going to show you guys a demo of it today and explain my thoughts on it at the end of the video. Thanks so much. And yeah, if you want to see me try this tinted moisturizer on, then wait and see and stay tuned. So this is the packaging. It's really, really cute, pretty, fresh, Deep Dark 21. All right, so as I was putting it on, it was looking really light, but as you can see, when I started spreading it out more with my grimy Corona infected fingers, just kidding, they're not, it started to get a little bit better. It's not streaky or anything. Like I said, it's not heavy. There I am struggling to get between my hairline and my eyebrow because I have no forehead or two head. It is a one head. All right, then I just had to stop being disgusting and just grab a brush. So that's okay. This is the Morphe Leader bronzer. I paid $19 for it at Ulta. You're welcome for the little mini makeup vid that I'm giving you with this review of this. What is this? This is a tinted moisturizer review, but you're getting a beauty flat face tutorial. All right, that's some little milk mascara that I got from Sephora for free for my birthday. I don't know, I'm just using it before I put my lashes on. I really don't know. I low-key hate mascara nowadays. Nothing really works for me, and I don't feel like I have lashes anymore. Said every woman ever. Alright, so I'm just going to do a nude lippy with this NYX lingerie. It's cute or whatever. I know it looks crazy. I'm not a corpse bride. I know what I'm doing. You see I have some dark brown lip liner. And once I put this lip gloss on, definitely calmed it the hell down and made my lips worth watching. All right, and then just some cheap ass beauty supply store lip gloss to just take it up a notch. And there you have it. Honestly, y'all, this tinted moisturizer gave me a flawless freaking face without a caked up feeling. And that was exactly what I was going for. That's exactly what I like. All right, now y'all see me feeling myself about this little Flexi Raw set or whatever. I'm sorry, I don't talk like that. But yeah, if y'all want any information on that, perhaps a tutorial, then let me know. Okay, so my overall thoughts on the Pretty Fresh Colourpop tinted moisturizer is it is really, really lightweight because it's a tinted moisturizer. They actually have, I believe, 2 shades darker than me, and they have a shade range of like 20 or something, which is really good. Correct me if I'm wrong. And I think it's good. I think that, you know, it's something that's wearable for the school time. I'm personally in law school, so like it's a lot to sit over there and put on your NARS full face, full coverage foundation every day. That's ridiculous, and to be sitting there with that on for 12 hours is insane. I think that I could definitely see myself sitting here going to class, studying and stuff, and not feeling like my face is disgusting after 12 hours. I have worn it. I've accidentally slept in it. Don't do that, girls. And it's been fine, honestly. Like, I really like it. It melts right into my skin, and you know, I have sensitive skin and it hasn't done anything to me so far. So I would encourage all of the chocolate beauties to go ahead and try this out. It's a great alternative to heavy foundations. It's about to get warm outside, so you know you don't want to be bogged down with that bull. And yeah, if you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe.